Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials and get straight to the joint. Use a plastic spudger to open the remote shell, pry where the seam flexes. This prevents cracking. Remove silicone tips and magnetic housings so you can see the cable entry. Once the PCB is exposed, identify the thin braiding and where the cable is glued into the shell. Make sure to work in good light. You want to see the solder joints clearly before heating anything. Now you're ready to isolate the broken conductor. Once you've exposed the inner wires, cut back the jacket by about 1/4 so you can work. Strip 1 to 2 millimeters of insulation. Tin each conductor with flux. This helps the solder flow and prevents cold joints. Match colors to the PCB pads and solder quickly with a small tip. Steady pressure and minimal heat protect nearby components. After the solder cools, slide heat shrink over the repair, shrink it with brief heat, and add a thin bead of hot glue for strain relief. This prevents you reassemble by aligning the PCB and shell halves. Make sure no wires are pinched, then tighten screws evenly. Once closed, pair the bullets and play a stereo test track for about 1 minute to confirm left/right audio and mic function. If you hear dropouts, check continuity across the repaired conductor with a multimeter. A high reading indicates a cold joint, so reflow solder with flux. If everything is fine, the unit is good to go. If not, inspect the battery and connector for corrosion or loose contacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.